what's up, and welcome back to a special episode of Cooking with Liva, because today is Mother's Day, and so we're going to be making bounty for them. This is for my mom, my grandmother, and my grandmother who passed away, and so that's for you guys. Okay, for this recipe, we are going to be needing 1/2 cup of shredded coconut, 1/4 cup of coconut milk, and you need it to be hot, and 1/2 cup of condensed milk. And for dipping the bounty in, I have dairy milk. I'm using this one, and this is easily available in your nearest shop, and they're really good and taste too. Okay, so the first step is that I'm just going to take the water off the boiling. So I have boiling water over here, and I'm just going to put it into this bowl.
That's hot.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna keep this back.
It's still kind of bubbling.
Yeah. And I'm gonna put the chocolate into this so that it melts while we are making our filling. Okay. So I'm gonna start by adding the coconut. 1 cup of coconut. And then coconut milk. Yeah. And just mix that. And the condensed milk. And the rest of the coconut. And I'm just gonna take the rest of the condensed milk out. And there. And just mix it.
It starts to become this kind of like
Dough-like. I'm mixing this. My brother is here mixing the chocolate, which is in the hot water bath. And
Mother's Day is a really
special day, and you want to treat your mothers very nicely and, you know, make them feel proud.
and happy.
Yeah. So this is how we want our coconut to look now. And I'm just gonna wait for the chocolate to fully melt now. To buy shredded coconut, always get the fresh one, and so you can see the white color that we are getting.
Okay, the chocolate, I think it's kind of done.
Yeah, so now the chocolate soup is ready.
It looks really yummy.
It's time to shape our coconut bars and dip them in chocolate. I washed my hands, and now it's time to shape our bounty filling. I have an ice cream scooper here to give me equal measurements between each bounty. I'm just gonna press it down. You know, clean off the edges and take this out. Okay, now I'm just going to shape this.
So basically on Mother's Day, like children are like, I want to do something special for my mother. I want to make her a gift. But then you should just like make your mother happy, cooperate with her,
Yeah.
and stuff like that.
So this is our bounty shape done. Okay, now I'm just gonna do this with the rest of my coconut batter,
That's
and
really
then we'll be ready for dipping it. Okay, this is the last one of our batter left. I just want to tell you that this is the coconut milk I am using, and if the coconut is sticking to your hands, you can apply this to your hands, and it will just help as well. If you do not have coconut milk, you can always use heavy cream. Okay, so there you have it. Your bounties are done. And okay, now I'm just going to refrigerate these for 30 minutes to let them rest and make the shape firm. Taken the bounty filling out of the refrigerator, and they have a very firm shape now, so that's good. Okay, I have my melted chocolate here, and I'm just going to take one of the bounties, carefully pick them up, put it over here, my fork, just drizzle the chocolate on top. You just want it to be fully covered. It's fully covered. I'm just going to place it here to my plate. And I'm gonna do the same with the rest of my bounties now. Oops. Bounty number 2 done. Now that these are coated with the chocolate, we're going to be resting these in the refrigerator for around 15 minutes so that the chocolate sets, and then we're going to be cleaning the edges that are, not clean. Our chocolate is set, and now I'm just going to be trimming the sides off. Just going to, smooth the sides. And they look so good, don't they? Okay, and there. I'm just going to do this with the rest of my chocolates, and then they're done. Bounties are ready, and there it is, your Mother's Day special gift. And this is great, and honestly you guys should be really thankful of your mothers as well, and give them a very heartwarming day, and make them feel special. So there you have it, your bounties are ready, and go surprise them to your mothers, and make them happy. So if you guys like this recipe, please tell me in the comments down below, and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. Bye!